Hey guys, so what I'm doing today is, just to let you know. So earthing, grounding, I thought it was all hugging trees, but it's actually real. And I'll show the results with the multimeter later. So I'll show you a real simple one. I live up on a high floor. There's really not many trees and natural stuff to go ground. So let me show you. This is what I made. It's pretty self-explanatory. All these grooves. That's bare copper. Metal tape. Put a little pad in there though. This is just from a lid. So let's get started, okay? Okay. So pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you have plenty of copper connected to the metal. Okay? Very easy. So I don't do outlets, connecting to outlets and such. So I'll show you what I did instead, which just a water connection. And I know that goes to ground. So piece of wire. This will be installed on that water connection. This thing, Harbor Freight once again. I do like me some Harbor Freight, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, will this guy fit? I think ran. Crimpers, pliers, whatever. Okay. This right here, this connector, we're gonna put right here on the screw. Okay, I'll show you why here in a sec. Let's get it started though. All right, see that? Now you could use wire brush, that one's dirty, or some sandpaper. Make sure you clean up the copper connection, all right? So I'm gonna take you out and show you what I'm about to do. That'll do the trick. So, standard water connection. Of course, you can fashion it however you want, but it seems to work for me. It's fine. And measure the voltage is silly. It's not. what I do, or what I did in the past. I stripped this guy, so to go all the way around the copper connection, which is probably the best way anyhow, okay? This is a larger gauge wire, but I don't think you need it. It was just laying around, so why not, right? Why not, guys? Right, there we go. Okay. Now we're long and strip wire. This thing, keep it in place. And wrap it around. So you remember the mat? This guy. I've got wire, all copper underneath with metal tape. Now I have wire, I'll bring it all the way inside to wherever I want to be, but for showing purposes, we're just gonna do it outside, okay? So, let's see here. We're gonna get one of these little connecting thingies. That's just so I can bring it in, out. I don't have to keep it connected at all times. Let's grab another one just in case it doesn't fit. I'll get a little bit bigger one. All right. Put that there for the moment. Let me go put wires here to here. Mat. Okay. Right. It's all connected. You take your little nozzles off. And you have a little R&R. It's kind of hard to get it all connected around my soul level. Grounding's a thing, kids. No doubt. Take care of yourself. Do good. Be good.